Hello students, let us see the numericals of chapter 3 based on the theories we have studied till now. Example 3.1. Represent the cell in which the following reaction takes place. Magnesium plus 2Ag plus gives Mg2 plus 2Ag. Calculate its E cell if E naught cell equal to 3.17 volt. So first of all, let us see how to represent the cell. So magnesium is anode. So we'll write Mg then slash Mg2 plus. Thereafter we are having solid bridge. So two vertical lines. Then silver is cathode. So first we'll write Ag plus and then Ag. So this is the cell representation. Okay. Then E cell is asked. Okay. From E naught cell. Now in case of this reaction, E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log of concentration on the right hand side upon concentration on the left hand side. So on the right hand side we are having Mg2 plus. So in the square bracket we will write Mg2 plus and the coefficient of Mg2 plus is 1. So in the power there will be 1. Thereafter concentration on the left hand side. So we are having only one ion, that is Ag plus, and it is having 2 moles. So in the power we will write 2. So that is equal to, now E naught cell is given as 3.17 volt. So 3.7 minus 0.059 upon n. N is the number of electrons gained or lost. Now I'll see that what is the total charge on the left hand side, 2 plus. Okay. On the right hand side also 2 plus. So number of electron gained or lost is log of, now concentration of Mg2 plus is given as 0.0001. Okay, so that can be written as 10 raised to minus 4. So it is 10 raised to, sorry, Mg2 plus is on the right hand side, which concentration is 0.130. Okay, 0.130. So that can be written as 130 into 10 raised to minus 3 raised to 1, and concentration of Ag plus is 0.0001. So that can be written as 10 raised to minus 4. So 10 raised to minus 4 raised to 2. So that is equal to 3.17 minus, now 0.059 upon 2 is 0.0295. Then we are having log of, now 130 now this will be 10 raised to minus 4 into 2 is 10 raised to minus 8. When it will go in the numerator, it will become 10 raised to plus 8. 10 raised to plus 8 is minus 3 is 10 raised to plus 5. So 130 into 10 raised to plus 5. Okay. So that is equal to 3.17 minus 0.0295. Now if we write log of 130 is there, if you write it as 13, then it will be 10 raised to 6. So that is equal to 3.17 minus 0.0295. Now we are having log of 13. So in 13 there are 2 digits, so we'll put 1 point. Okay, two digits are there, so we'll put 1 point. We have to take one digit less. So 1 point. Now we have to see log 13. So what is log 13? So log 13. Okay, so in logarithm we have to see log 13. So that is 1139. So it is 1139. So it is 1139. So it is 1139. Now multiplication is there, so there will be plus. Now log 10 raised to 6 is 6. That is equal to 3.17 minus 0.0295 into 7.1139. So that is equal to 3.17. Now multiplication of these two is 0.2098. So that is equal to 3.3798. So is that is approximately equal to 3.38 volt. So this is our answer. Sorry, we have to subtract over here. Okay. So on subtracting, you will get 2.96 volt. That is our answer. Now next example is calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction Cu plus 2Ag plus gives Cu2 plus 2Ag. E naught cell is 0.46 volt. So here we will see that E naught cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log Kc. Okay, this is the equation relating E naught cell and Kc. So log Kc equal to n into E naught cell upon 0.059. So log Kc, n is the number of electron gain or lost. So here 2 plus charge is there on both the side. So number of electron lost or gained is 2. E naught cell is 0.46 upon 0.059. So that is equal to 15.6. So Kc will be equal to NT log of 15.6. So that is equal to 3.92 into 10 raised to 15. So that is our answer. Now next example 3.3 is the standard electrode potential for Daniel cell is 1.1 volt. Okay, so that is E naught cell is equal to 1.1 volt. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy for the reaction. So we have to find out delta G naught. Now your number of electrons gained or lost, that is n equal to 2. Now delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Now 1 Faraday is equal to 96487 coulomb. Okay, so that is equal to minus 2 into F is 96487 and E naught cell is 1.1 volt. So that is equal to minus 21277. Now F is in coulomb, okay, NF is in coulomb and E naught cell is in volt, and coulomb into volt is joule, okay. So joule per mole. Now if you want to convert it into kilojoule, it will be minus 212.77 kilojoule per mole. That is our answer. Now let us see in-text question 3.4. Calculate the potential for hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. So here we will see that pH of the solution is 10. That means minus log of H plus equal to 10. So log of H plus equal to minus 10. So concentration of H plus equal to 10 raised to minus 10 molar. Now using this concentration, we have to find out E naught cell, E naught of hydrogen, E of hydrogen, okay, potential of hydrogen electrode. So we have to find out E of hydrogen electrode. So that is EH plus H2 equal to E naught of H plus H2 minus 0.059 upon n log of concentration on right upon left. Now what is the reduction reaction of hydrogen? H plus electron gives half H2. Okay. So here we will see that on the right hand side no ion is there, so it will be 1. And on the left hand side 1 H plus ion is there, so in the square bracket H plus. So that is equal to, now E naught of H plus H2 is 0. Okay. Minus 0.059 and number of electrons gained or lost in the denominator is 1. Log of 1 upon concentration of H plus is 10 raised to minus 10. Now if we remove this negative sign, then this ratio will become reciprocal, okay? So we will get 0.059 log of 10 raised to minus 10 when it will go in the numerator, 1 will go in the denominator. So log 10 raised to minus 10. Now this minus 10 in the power will come in front into 0.059 into, now log 10 is 1. So into 1. So that will be equal to minus, now 0.059 into 10 is 0.59 and unit is volt. So potential of hydrogen electrode is minus 0.59 volt. Now next is question 3.5 of in text. Calculate the EMF of the cell in which the following reaction takes place. Nickel plus 2 Ag plus having concentration 0.002 molar gives Ni2 plus having concentration 0.160 molar plus 2 Ag. Given that E naught cell equal to 1.05 volt. So here we will see that we have to find out E cell. Okay. Now E cell equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon n log of concentration on right upon concentration on left. So on right side we are having Ni2 plus 1 mole only. So we have to write down square bracket Ni2 plus raised to 1. And on the left hand side we are having Ag plus 2 moles. So we will write in the denominator Ag plus raised to 2. So that is equal to, now E naught cell is 1.05 volt minus 0.059. Now number of electron gained or lost is, so here on both the side charge is 2 plus, okay, so number of electron gained or lost is 2 log of concentration of Ni2 plus, so that is 0.160 molar. So that can be written as 16 into 10 raised to minus 2. And for Ag plus it is 0.002. So that can be written as 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. And in the power we are having 2. Okay. So that is equal to 1.05 minus, now 0.059 upon 2 is 0.0295 log of 16 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon, now 2 ka square is 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 2, so that is 10 raised to minus 6. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So equal to 1.05 minus 0.0295 log of, now 10 raised to minus 6 in the numerator will become 10 raised to plus 6. Okay, so 10 raised to plus 6 and minus 2 is 10 raised to plus 4. So already we are having 4 and then we are having 10 raised to plus 4. So 4 into 10 raised to plus 4. So that is equal to 1.05 so it is 1.05 minus 0.0295. Now log of 4 is 0.6021. Now multiplication is there, so there will be plus sign. And log 10 raised to 4 is 4. So that is equal to 1.05 minus 0.0295 into 4.6021. So that is equal to 1.05. Now multiplication of these two is 0.1358. So that will be equal to, now subtract these two, so that will be equal to 0.9142 volt. So that is the answer of E cell, 0.9142 volt. In question number 3.6 of in text, we are having the cell in which the following reactions occur: 2Fe3 plus 2I minus gives 2Fe2 plus I2, has E naught cell of 0.236 volt at 298 Kelvin. Calculate the standard Gibbs energy and equilibrium constant of the cell reaction. So we are having E naught cell as 0.236. Now if we write down the half reactions, okay, so anodic reaction is 2I minus after losing 2 electrons from I2, and 2Fe3 plus after gaining 2 electrons will form 2 Fe2 plus. So looking to this half reaction, our N will be equal to 2 and F is equal to 96487 1 Faraday equal to 96487 Coulomb. Now first of all let us find out standard Gibbs energy from E naught. So equation is delta G naught equal to minus NF E naught cell. So that is equal to minus 2 into 96487 into 0.236. So that is equal to minus 45,541 joule per mole. So in kilojoule it will become minus 445.541 kilojoule per mole. So this is our first answer of delta G naught. Now we have to find out equilibrium constant from delta G naught. Now delta G naught equal to minus 2.303 RT log Kc, or we can say log K. Now we have to find out K. So first of all we will find out log K. Now this whole will go on the left hand side. Okay, so first of all minus will go on the left hand side, so that will become minus delta G naught upon, now 2.303 RT will go in the denominator, so 2.303 RT, so that is equal to minus, now delta G naught in terms of joule is minus 45,541. Okay, so we have to take delta G naught in joule, that is minus 45,541. Here we will see already in the equation minus is there, and in the delta G naught value again minus is there. Okay, so minus 45,541 upon 2.303. Now delta G naught is taken in joule, so R will also be in joule, so the value of R in joule is 8.314 into, now capital T is the Kelvin temperature. Now here standard condition is there, temperature is 298 Kelvin. In the denominator we will write 298. Now here minus minus will be cancelled. So when you calculate this, our answer of log K is 7.981. So log K is 7.981. Now we have to find out K. So log on the other side will become anti-log. So K will be equal to anti-log of 7.981. So we have to see the anti-log of 981. Okay, so anti-log of 981 is 9.57, and 7 will be taken in the power of 10, so that is 10 raised to 7. So our final answer of equilibrium constant is 9.57 into 10 raised to 7. Thank you.